Today we're going to practice with Forrest Gump. We'll listen, repeat, shadow, and then break down the key vocabulary together. Ready? Let's go.
Hello. My name's Forrest Gump.
Hello. My name is Forrest Gump.
Do you want a chocolate?
Do you want a chocolate?
I could eat about 1.5 million of these.
I could eat about 1.5 million of these.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. Life was like a box of chocolates means life is full of surprises and you never know what you're gonna get. Example, when I moved to a new city without a plan, I realized life was like a box of chocolates, unexpected but exciting.
You never know what you're going to get.
You never know what you're gonna get.
Those must be comfortable shoes.
Those must be comfortable shoes.
I bet you could walk all day in shoes like that and not feel a thing.
I bet you could walk all day in shoes like that and not feel a thing. I bet mean I'm sure or I'm strongly believe. Example, it's going to rain later. I bet it will.
I wish I had shoes like that.
My feet hurt.
I wish I had shoes like that. My feet hurt.
Mom always said there's an awful lot you can tell about a person by their shoes.
Mama always said there's an awful lot you could tell about a person by their shoes. There's an awful lot. The word awful here doesn't mean bad. It just means there is a large amount of something. Example, there is an awful lot of homework today. You could tell is a very common expression in everyday English. Means it was obvious or you could notice. Example, she said she was fine, but you could tell she was upset. It means it was clear she was upset.
Where they going? Where they been?
Where they're going, where they've been.
I've worn lots of shoes.
I've worn lots of shoes. Worn is the past participle of wear, and it has two common meanings. One of them when you talk about something used for a long time. Example, these shoes look worn.
I bet if I think about it real hard, I could remember my first pair of shoes.
I bet if I think about it real hard, I could remember my first pair of shoes. Real hard is a casual way to say very hard. Example, he worked real hard to pass the exam. Do you want me to cover a scene from your favorite movie? Let me know in the comments. Great job today. You sounded amazing. Keep practicing. The more you shadow, the more natural you'll sound. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel.